Alright, early afternoon has showed up. November 20th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here. 1332 coming to you from Ladysmith on the Canadian National Superior Submain. Nearby mile 353.02 with another video lined up for you. Could be my last one for now. Northbound on the way after signals have improved for the area around Ladysmith to have a track crew clear out as they were working the North Ladysmith Yard switch. So they've released authority around that area from mile 353.24 up to mile 354.39. For our northbound that's on the way, we'll have that Solo C6M rebuild. I have a feeling it could be the 3316 again. And I'm maybe thinking the T44AC of the 3113 again as well, running as DPU. Also has that firefighting training tank car of the CN 911 right behind the DPU. I have a feeling this is going to be my third time seeing that. Maybe more than that, but we'll see about that because it's coming around right now. I gotta say, folks, definitely was expecting that to show up. Can't go wrong with that because you can actually see it currently well off to the left there. Left a shot before it gets closer. Alright, K5HL horns I hear for this northbound. Check them out as well. Lean back and get them. Let's go. Gate drop. Got through there just in time. $33.29. The next C6M rebuild, why not? New though, I gotta say. M341 91 on the 20th 3151 is DPU. There's that firefighting training car. Started from Elkhart, Indiana via Norfolk Southern. When you're heading on up to Ladysmith Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. $33.29 is the newest one of the second batch. Actually, we're going to take it all back. This is the Rattler M347. Onto your hats. As that started from Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana, we'll head up to Prince George, British Columbia, Canada. Firefighting training tank car was on the Rattler as I thought. Wonderful. Illinois Central 977-224. And that'll do it for the Rattler M347 91 of the 19th. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. What a catch that was. See you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Have a great day. Tyler Hayes out.